fourth question. Again they given a parallelogram figure here. One value is a angle value is y. Here they given a x and it is a 80 degree and they given a x. Here our aim is to prove the x, y, z value. So just observe here. Recall the properties of parallelogram. We know that sum of the two adjacent angle is 180 degree. X and 80 degree are the adjacent angles. Its sum is always a 180 degree. So x plus 80 degree is equal to 180 degree. Here the condition is sum of the two adjacent angle angles is 180 degree. Here x is a variable, keep as it is, which is equal to when 80 goes to the right hand side, plus 80 become a minus 80 degree. So 180 degree minus 80 degree. So angle x is equal to 100 degree. Here angle x is equal to how much we get here? 100 degree. Now observe here y. We know that one more property, opposite angles are equal. Here y's opposite is a 80 degree. Then these two angles are equal to each other. That is angle y is equal to 80 degree because opposite angles are equal. Okay. This is the second condition. Next we have to prove the z. Here just observe whether z is the form of alternate angles or not. Just observe here. Yes, it is the shape of z. Okay, then it forms alternate angles. Here angle y is equal to angle z because these are the form of alternate angle. Angle y is equal to angle z because I am using a condition alternate angles. Alternate angle. What is value for y here? Y is 80 degree means definitely z is also said to be a 80 degree. So y is equal to z is equal to 80 degree. Therefore angle z is equal to 80 degree using the condition of alternate angles. Therefore x is equal to how much we get? 100 degree. Y is equal to 80 degree and z is equal to 80 degree. So this is the solution of fourth one. Here I am using a three condition for solving a x. I am using a condition sum of two adjacent angle is 180 degree. For solving a y I am using a condition opposite angles are equal. For solving a z the condition is alternate angles. Here these are the sum of two adjacent angle is 180 degree and opposite angles are equal. They are the properties of parallelogram. So this is the second main fifth question. Here again which is the parallelogram figure. Here first I will label the figure A, B, C, D. Okay, here we have four vertices A, B, C, D. Here again we have to calculate the values x, y and this is a z. Here we have to calculate the x, y, z. So let's start the solution. First here observe the y and c. Here A and C, these two are the opposite angles and we know that according to properties of parallelogram opposite angles are equal. So y is equal to 112 degree. Y is equal to 112 degree because opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are here. Y and 112 are the opposite to each other, or you can consider A and C are the opposite each other. Then these two angles are equal. We found the y value. Next, just observe here. Here y is equal to how much? 112 degree. In triangle ADB, here we have two triangles ADB and a DCB. So consider in triangle ADB, B. In triangle ADB, here we know the A value, we know the D value, we have to calculate the B, that is the X. So, I am using a property, angle sum property of triangle. Sum of these three angles is equal to 180 degree. So, right here, angle ADB, angle ADB plus angle DBA plus angle BAD is equal to 180 degree. I am taking a clockwise direction, okay. ADB plus DBA plus BAD. Angle DBA plus angle BAD. Angle BAD is equal to 180 degree, which is a condition of, because angle sum property, I am using a condition angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property of triangle, which is a condition, okay. ADB, here middle angle is which one? D. So what is value for D for this triangle, which is a 40 degree. So right here 40 degree. Plus DBA, middle angle is B. What is the middle angle here? X. Plus BAD, which is a Y, is equal to 180 degree. 40 degree plus, here do you know the value of X? We don't know, keep as it is. But we know the Y value, that is 112 degree is equal to 180 degree. So keep X as it is here. 40 degree plus 112 is 152 degree, which is a 152 degree, which is equal to 180 degree. Here 152 is a constant. When it goes to the right hand side, plus sign become a minus sign. X is equal to 180 degree minus 152 degree. So X is equal to 180 minus 152 is a 28 degree. So value of X is how much here? This value. The value of X is how much here? 28 degree. Here we calculate the X and Y value. Next we have to calculate the Z value. This is a Z, okay. This is a Z value. So just observe here whether Z is the form of alternate angles or not. Just observe here. ABDC forms a alternate angle, or you can consider a Z-shaped angle. Then definitely angle X is equal to angle Z, because these two are equal. If X is equal to Z means definitely, if it is 28 degree means definitely this is also said to be a 28 degree, using a condition of alternate angles. Here here I'll draw a figure like this, okay. Here this is A, B, D, C. A, B, D, C. A, B, D, C. A, B, D is how much here? That is a X. A, B, D is how much here? X. B, D, C is a Z. B, D, C is a Z. Here these are the alternate angles. They are equal. X is equal to Z. If X is 28 degree means definitely Z is also equal to 28 degree. Therefore Z is equal to 28 degree, which is a condition of alternate angles. Which is a condition of alternate angles. Therefore X is equal to 28 degree, Y is equal to 112 degree, and Z is equal to 28 degree. Here we calculate the all three values. This is solution of fifth one. Here I am using only a three condition. The conditions are, for solving y, I am using a property of parallelogram, that is opposite angles are equal. For solving a x value, I am using a condition that angle sum property of triangle. For solving a z, I am using a condition alternate angles. So this is the fifth one. This completes the second main question. Hello everyone. In this class, I am going to discuss the exercise 4.3 third question. So let's see the third question. Can a quadrilateral ABCD be a parallelogram? If, here again we have a sub 3 question. First question is angle D plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. And second question, AB is equal to DC is equal to 8 centimeter, AD is equal to 4 centimeter, and BC is equal to 4.4 centimeter. And third question is angle A is equal to 70 degree and angle C is equal to 65 degree. So let's take the first condition here. Angle D plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. So first I will draw a parallelogram here. Yes, it is a parallelogram. A, B, C, D here. Here what we have to prove? We have to show that quadrilateral is also be a parallelogram. We have to check whether the quadrilateral is also a parallelogram or not. The first condition they given angle D plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Yes, the condition if the condition is possible only when if angle D is 90 degree and angle B is 90 degree, then this condition will be satisfied. Otherwise, this condition will not be satisfied. Here, if we are adding these two, angle D plus angle B is 90 degree. Here we have a condition angle D plus angle B is equal to 90 degree when the angle D is equal to angle B is equal to 90 degree. And one more condition, we have a parallelogram, that is opposite angles are equal. Of course, angle D is equal to angle B, which are the opposite to each other, and they are equal. So here the answer is yes, a quadrilateral ABCD, a quadrilateral ABCD be a parallelogram if angle D is equal to angle B is equal to 90 degree. If we have a condition angle D and angle B is 90 degree, then the sum of these two angles is a 180 degree. And according to the properties of parallelogram, here opposite angles are equal. Here we have a condition if angle D is equal to if angle D plus angle B is equal to 180 degree, but it should be fulfilled with it should also fulfilled with some condition. Some conditions, which are, the first condition is the sum of the adjacent angle should be 180 degree. Second point, that is opposite angles are equal. Yes, angle D plus angle B is 180 degree only when if angle D is equal to angle B is equal to 90 degree. Here if we are adding angle D plus angle B, then the sum is 180 degree. And we have second point, that is opposite angles are equal. Yes, angle D is equal to angle B because both have a equal to 90 degree. If the angle D and angle B is 90 degree, then the condition is possible. So let's see the second question now. Here they given AB is equal to DC is equal to 8 centimeter, AD is equal to 4 centimeter, and BC is equal to 4.4 centimeter. So first I will draw a parallelogram here. Yes, it is a parallelogram. Here write the what is his name, ABCD. Here they given AB is equal to DC is equal to 8 centimeter. AB is 8 centimeter and DC is also equal to 8 centimeter. AD is how much they given? 4 centimeter. This is a 4 centimeter. Here BC is a 4.4 centimeter. In the parallelogram, we know that opposite sides are equal. Here you have only one pair of opposite sides are equal. Just observe this figure. AB is equal to DC is equal to 8 centimeter. Here we have only one pair of opposite sides are equal. The another pair of opposite sides are not equal. Then quadrilateral is not a parallelogram. So right here, no. The condition is no, because opposite sides are here only one pair of opposite sides are equal. The another pair of opposite sides are not equal, because opposite sides should be of same length. Here they given a AB is equal to DC, this is the first pair, and one more pair AD is not equal to BC. The side AD is not equal to DC. For that, this condition is failed. Now let's see the third question now. Angle A is equal to 70 degree. Angle C is equal to 65 degree. So again I will draw a rough diagram here. Yes, it is a parallelogram. Right here again a vertex name A, B, C, D. Angle A is here 70 degree. Angle C is a 65 degree. According to the properties of a parallelogram, we know that always opposite angles are equal. Here angle A and angle C both are opposite to each other. They are said to be opposite angles. But angle A is here 70 degree, angle C is 65 degree, but they are not equal to each other. So this condition is failed here. So here no, a quadrilateral is not a parallelogram. Okay, here no, opposite angles are should be of same measure. Here they given a condition, angle A is not equal to angle C. Here they given a condition, angle A is not equal to angle C. Then it is not said to be a parallelogram. So this is the third solution. Here angle D plus angle B is equal to 180 degree only when the condition is satisfied if angle D and angle B both are equal to 90 degree. And second condition, AB is equal to DC is equal to 8 centimeter. AD is equal to 4 centimeter, BC is equal to 4.4 centimeter. Here only one pair of opposite sides are equal. The another pair of opposite sides are not equal, then it is also not satisfied. For third condition, according to the properties of parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Here A and C are said to be opposite angles, but here we have a different measurement. It is not said to be a parallelogram because angle A is not equal to angle C. So let's see the fourth question. Draw a rough figure of quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram but has exactly two opposite angles of a equal measure. So here they given a figure is a quadrilateral and it should not be a parallelogram. Here they given a one condition, that is a one pair of opposite angles should be a equal. So first I will draw a figure here. Yes, this is the shape of quadrilateral. Give the name as a B C D. Here they given a one pair of opposite angles are equal. If angle D is 110 degree, definitely angle B is also equal to 180 degree because this type of figure is said to be a kite. Here AD and AB are the equal sides, same as DC and BC are the equal sides. Here we have one condition that angle B is equal to angle D. So according to the question, we draw the figure. Here we have only one condition, that angle D is equal to angle B. But according to the properties of parallelogram, we know that the pair of two opposite angles are equal. But here angle A is not equal to angle C, then it is not said to be a parallelogram. According to the condition, we can say that it is a quadrilateral, but it is not said to be a parallelogram. So let's start the solution here. Here ABCD is a figure of quadrilateral. Here ABCD is a figure of quadrilateral. It is not a parallelogram, but exactly we have opposite angles are equal. But it is not a parallelogram because angle A is not equal to angle C. This is the solution for fourth question.